You guys, what's up? And today I'm going to be doing my homework. Page. This is my book. It's in Irish. You won't understand anything. Nothing is in English except that bit. I have to do all those words into a sentence. 20 fucking words. My teacher tortures me. Jesus. Let's do a short video of what school should be like. School should be like pencils, no pencils, iPads. I know that. Computers to play Minecraft on. What else? School should be like just give you detention, aka me. Teacher always give me detention. What else? There's my school bag.